Welcome to the Hampton Inn Lancaster, newly renovated and perfectly located for your Lancaster getaway. We are just minutes from downtown Lancaster, Amish farmlands, Sight and Sound theaters, Dutch Wonderland, and over 500 outlet stores. For unbeatable access to the top attractions, our location can't be matched. Our location in Greenfield puts you close to everything. Walk to local dining and shops, including Starbucks right next door, and take in scenic walking trails around our landscaped community. Whether you're here for business or leisure, we've got you covered. Step into our spacious redesigned lobby, the perfect spot to relax or connect. In the morning, fuel up with Hampton's signature hot breakfast, featuring healthy and hearty options, and of course, our fan favorite, waffles. Stay energized in our oversized fitness center with cardio, free weights, and even a Peloton bike. Then unwind in one of Lancaster's few outdoor pools, complete with a large sun patio and plenty of space to lounge or grill. Our fully renovated rooms feature plush bedding, 55-inch HD TVs with streaming, mini fridges, microwaves, closets for more storage, and ergonomic workspaces. Need more room? Upgrade to a studio suite for extra space to spread out. We are pet-friendly, offer complimentary parking with EV charging stations, and back every stay with our 100% Hampton guarantee. With top guest ratings and perks like Hilton Honors and Mobile Key, we deliver real Hamptonality from check-in to check-out. Your Lancaster adventure starts here. Book your stay today.